A year ago, UNESCO launched a global dialogue on gender equality and artificial intelligence with leaders in AI, digital technology, and gender equality all over from academia, civil society, as well as private sector. All participants agree that hiring more women is a necessary, albeit not sufficient step for a greater gender equality in this field.
Daniela Briga, the founder and CEO of Define Crowd, a company having 42% of women employees, argued that hiring more women is not enough. The real objective is to make sure that women are hired in core roles such as development teams that are not just ethics washing with women in peripheral roles, but actually part of the development and coding.
Hi, I'm Mathura Dasgupta, founder and CEO of Aspire for Her. At Aspire for Her, we have the mission to motivate women to enter and stay in the workforce. And we have the vision to add more than 1 million women to the workforce by 2025. Artificial intelligence impacts diversity in two ways: using AI to ensure diversity in industry, business, and society, and using a diverse talent pool to build ethical AI. Ethical AI incorporates the principles of fairness, justice, inclusivity, privacy, non discrimination. It ensures transparency and is non maleficent, ensures freedom and autonomy, evokes trust, and delivers sustainability. Only a diverse pool of AI developers can bring in this wide spectrum of views and values that will make the models conform to ethical standards. Thank you.
AI-generated patterns, predictions, and recommended actions are reflections of the accuracy, universality, and reliability of the dataset used and the inherent assumptions and biases of the developers of the algorithms employed. AI is set to play an even more important role in every aspect of our daily lives in the future. It is important to look more closely at how AI is and will affect gender equality, in particular women, who represent over half of the world's population.
UNESCO's 2019 report, I Blushed If I Could, unambiguously shows that gender biases are found in AI datasets in general and training datasets in particular. Algorithms and devices have the potential of spreading and reinforcing harmful gender stereotypes. These gender biases risk further stigmatizing and marginalizing women on a global scale. Considering the increasing ubiquity of AI in our societies, such biases put women at risk of being left behind in all the realms of economic, political, and social life. They may even offset some of the considerable offline progress that countries have made towards gender equality in the recent past.
AI also has the potential to make positive changes to our societies by challenging oppressive gender norms. For example, while an AI powered recruitment software was found to discriminate against women, AI powered gender decoders help employers use gender sensitive language to write job postings that are more inclusive to increase the diversity of their workforce. AI, therefore, has the potential of being part of the solution for advancing gender equality in our societies.
We at Praxis are keen to contribute our humble bit to address this complex issue. There are no simple solution to this challenge of increasing gender diversity in data science, but one can always make a start. We have launched several initiatives, including offering scholarships for girls to make our courses even more affordable. There has to be an ecosystem that will work towards this problem. We are teaming up with organizations that want to reduce not just gender equality, but provide equal opportunities to talented girls from less privileged households to make a career in data science. In fact, we have launched a full course where more than 80% of our students are girls from economically disadvantaged families. The issue is about inequality, gender and wealth both. They are totally connected. Wealth inequalities make the girl child and the girl student disadvantaged compared to boys. One cannot solve one part of the problem without addressing the other. That's what we want to do in our small way.